Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove a contact in your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove someone from your LearnWorlds account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you reach out to your prospects and they write back with a nasty message. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove one of your users, here on the left side, click on users. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the users you have inside your LearnWorlds account. You can see I just have these two. If you have a huge list, you can go ahead and click right here on search and then search by name. Once you found the user that you want to go ahead and delete, there's actually two different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is you can go ahead and check the box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this little pop-up down here, and then you just want to click on these three little dots. Once you do that, you want to click on delete. Once you click on delete, you're going to get this warning that deleting that user means they're going to be removed from your database. Also, the removal is permanent. So if you're okay with that, you want to check the box here and then click on delete. The other way you can do this is you can easily just click into their name. Once you click into their name, you're going to see more information about their profile. And in order to delete this user, up here on the right, you're going to see three little dots next to manage. Once you hover over that, you're going to see another box open up. All right, once you see that other box open up, you're going to see this button here, delete user, and then you're going to get this pop-up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this user? So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a member or a user inside of your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.